Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OBD Fusion app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OBD Fusion is a powerful vehicle diagnostics and performance monitoring app designed for car enthusiasts, mechanics, and professionals. It connects to your vehicle's OBD-II port via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, allowing users to access real-time engine data, track fuel economy, monitor sensor readings, read and clear trouble codes, and create custom dashboards for personalized insights. The app also supports logging and exporting data, making it ideal for tuning, maintenance, or performance tracking. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate OBD Fusion's comprehensive data access and customizable interface, which provides detailed insights into vehicle performance. The ability to create custom dashboards, monitor multiple sensors, and track metrics over time makes it a favorite among car enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Real-time diagnostics and trouble code reading can save time and prevent costly repairs by identifying issues early. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity issues with certain vehicles or adapters. Beginners may also face a learning curve when navigating advanced features or interpreting engine data. While the app is robust, full functionality may require additional compatible hardware or in-app purchases. In summary, the OBD Fusion app may be worth using if you want detailed, real-time insights into your vehicle, efficient diagnostics, and customizable performance monitoring. However, if you're a casual driver with limited technical experience or don't want to invest in compatible hardware, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.